In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Steam program on your Windows computer. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install Steam, you need to go to any browser. So I'm going to use Google Chrome and just search for Steam like that and enter, and this will take you to the official Steam website. Click on it to open, and now to install it, look for this option, install Steam. Here, proceed and click on it, and this will take you to the store where you can see here more information about this. Choose for Windows because I'm on Windows. We have already it pre-selected, and you can see if your operating system is any of this, you can also switch to them. So because I'm on Windows, I'll click on install Steam, and this will download the program. You can see the download is here, and now it is done. Once done, now click on the folder containing the program, and here we go. We have our Steam setup here. To run this setup, you can just double click on it or right click on it and then choose run as administrator. Confirm by clicking on yes, and now click on next. Choose your language. Because I'm using English, I'll leave it to English and click next. And finally here we have destination folder. I'll leave it to this. If you wish to change, you can browse your destination folder here. Finally, I'll click on install, and the installation is on, and finally it is done. Finally, click on finish to complete installation, and as you can see, Steam is already updating and the program is already available here. So wait for Steam to complete downloading updates if they are available. Once done, now double click on Steam to launch it, or just right click on it and click on open, and this will launch Steam. Now proceed and sign up or create your account to start using Steam program. So you can see the program is here. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.